How do I view my listening history on Spotify?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll be covering a topic that many Spotify users ask. How do I view my listening history on Spotify? This is a simple process, but it's not immediately clear for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and view your listening history.
What is Spotify's listening history?
Spotify's listening history is a feature that allows you to see the songs you've listened to recently. It's an excellent way to go back to a song you liked but forgot to save. Now, let's dive into the steps to access it.
Accessing listening history on desktop.
First, we will cover how to view your history if you're using Spotify on a desktop. 1. Open Spotify and log into your account, if necessary. 2. Look at the left-hand column of the Spotify interface, where your playlists are displayed. 3. Scroll down to the end of this column, where you'll find an option labeled Queue. 4. Click on Queue. This will open a new window to the right. 5. At the top of this new window, you'll see two options, Next in Queue, and History. 6. Click on History. 7. Now you should be able to see a list of the most recent songs you've listened to on Spotify.
Accessing listening history on mobile.
Next, we'll look at how to access your listening history on your mobile device. 1. Open the Spotify app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. 2. Tap on the Library icon in the lower right corner. 3. Look for the Playlists category and tap on it. 4. Scroll all the way down until you see the playlist named Recently Played. 5. Tap on Recently Played. 6. You will now be able to see a list of the most recent songs and podcasts you've listened to on Spotify. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view your listening history on Spotify. It's a very straightforward process once you know where to look. This should help you find those songs you've enjoyed but forgot to save. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Until next time, happy listening!